how to control yourself when you get stopped. Hands at 10 and 2, have your wallet out, driver's registration already in your hands or whatever they come, no sudden movements, stuff like that. It's just small things, and just looking at the social media and the world now, it's not just the it's a justice system, it's a school system,
Look
it's
at this,
everybody
guys.
around
Something's
power
wrong with the
that
fire
is not
line.
holding each other
It's gonna
accountable
show
and
you
who is in
outside
executive office
of a
who doesn't give
broken
a rat's
speaker
tail
strobe or
about
something.
anybody else
Can't go
but themselves.
outside, so
We
I
gotta
have to
vote,
deal
we
with
gotta
just
do everything in
whooping
our
around
right
this.
mind to get people
Look
in the
at
office who
this.
actually
Just
care
get out the
about the
freaking
people, not
water,
just
dude.
because of the white people.
Dude,
You gotta
my bud,
you gotta
look
be
at
somebody that
this.
actually cares
Look
for
at, you see
whites,
this?
blacks,
You
presidents of
see
people.
this?
That's what the
This is
government does.
like,
You got people
this
just
is
going into
cannot be
just because
true.
it's traditional
Something's
now.
wrong with this
So you
building.
gotta
Look like an
go
old
to stand up and
Relax.
fight for what's right, not for someone that's okay. Go
And
ahead.
nothing is going off. Nothing. Just nothing. Blank nothing is going off. It's blank. Nothing is going off. Nothing. I'm just like, for real. Nothing's going off. Oh, you scared me. Jeez. Why you do that to me? Nothing's going on, guys. Look at that. Like, that's the sensor. Yes, it is. We're just gonna check upstairs. Nothing's going off. Just blank. Nothing. Look, see? Nothing's going off. Nothing. Okay, I guess we're about to escape this building. Like, I don't know what's going on, but that was like nothing was going off. Like, I don't like that building anymore. I'm not gonna go to that building anytime soon.